This is the rim tape I'm going to be using. Now, as you can see, this already has rim tape, but I want to surround it. The corners here. Just push it in all the way around. And make sure it's tight all the way around the rim. Hold it together and then just cut this piece. And then you tape it at the end to hold the two sides together to make it tight around the frame so there's no slack. And this way the tape will hold to allow you to put the tire on. Okay, now you have to make a hole for the valve from the tube to go through here. So I'm going to use a razor blade just to cut through this area. Okay, so this is what you do. You get a piece of electric tape and just put it over the connection. This way you can hold the two parts of the rim tape together so it won't fall off the wheel, and that will allow you to mount the tire. And you should pull these two sides together to have some sort of a tension. Hold it on. This does stretch a little bit, and this will keep the rim tape on. It'll be snug onto the rim, and now the tire can be mounted. Now in this case, what I did was I had to cut this on the side here with a scissors to thin it out. It was too wide, and it has to press into the frame. If you cut it and make it narrower, you could press it into the frame and it'll hold. So this was the leftover, so it was about from here to here, and I was able to get it into the frame. So it depends on the thickness of the frame of the bicycle. If it's a wider frame like a mountain bike, then you should make it wider. If it's a road bike, more narrow. I was able to press into the frame.